Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we learn 10 lines on my favorite sweet jalebi. So let's start. Jalebi is a very famous sweet. It is made from flour and sugar. It is also known as the national sweet of India. It is really sweet in taste. It is orange in color. It has swirls like a coin. Its batter is deep fried. It is dipped in sugar syrup. So it is very juicy. I love to eat hot jalebis with curd. So friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.